Hey, good afternoon, Bastien from San Juan Del Sur, BVN Real Estate. I wanted just to make this quick video to see the type of arbor we have in Nicaragua. When I see that, I have to stop and to show you because it's amazing. Just contemplation could be. So we are here. We have like a river stream on our side. We have to be honest, today is dry. We are in beginning of May, 1st of May. So the end of the dry season. Raining will come soon. But yeah. So on my side here there is an area of 8 manzanas. So 8 manzanas. One manzana it's 1 acre plus 3/4 acre. So 8 manzanas made about 14 acres. Or 13 and a half, something like this. So I'm leaving the trees and shade area and go to a flat field. It grows pasto, so it's a grass to feed normally cows. We are 8 minutes from San Juan Del Sur city center. It will be like another 8 minutes to be to the beach. Here I'm facing, so east will be here. Yeah. So it's 13 to 14 acres of mixed forest and mixed field.